Herkese merhaba, Curt'S Kitchen'a hoş geldiniz. What did you think, Pinar? Did I f that up or did that sound okay? Was it good? Awesome. Okay.
You crazy mother.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Curt'S Kitchen. I'm your host, Curtis, obviously. In today's episode, we're gonna be making a Turkish classic called Lahmacun, or as it's known in the Western world, Turkish pizza. It's basically a thin pizza-like dough topped with lamb or beef and sprinkled with a variety of spices and garnishes. Now this recipe today requires quite a few ingredients, so I'm gonna list them all right here. Be sure to take a screenshot, pause the video, write them down if you need to. I'll give you guys some time. Oh, you're done? Okay, cool. So to start, we're gonna make our dough. First, you'll need a half a cup of warm water, a half a teaspoon of dry active yeast, and a quarter teaspoon of sugar. Basically, you're gonna get a tiny bowl like this. We've already got our half cup of warm water in there. Then we're gonna mix our yeast and our sugar in there. Then you're just gonna lightly stir. Make sure to mix all that around, get a nice combination going. Okay, now we're gonna let this sit to the side in a warm place for about 15 minutes. All right, it's been 15 minutes. Your yeast mixture should look a little something like this. A little foamy, a little solidified. You're gonna get yourself a big mixing bowl. You're gonna add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, right in there. You're gonna take an additional quarter cup of warm water, and then just take your yeast mixture and pour that right in there. And then you're gonna mix and knead this until you have a nice, soft, spongy dough. Okay, now that our dough's done, it should look something like this. Nice little ball there. Put it back in the mixing bowl. Then you're gonna coat the dough with oil, or in this case, we're gonna cheat. We're gonna use cooking spray. A little coat. Cover the mixing bowl. Then you're gonna let the dough sit for 1 hour. All right, it's been an hour. Let's check on our dough. Sure enough, it has risen to just about, well, more than twice its size. Check that out. That feels really good. That looks really good. So you're gonna wanna take your dough out of your mixing bowl, put it on your work surface, give it the old 1-2. Alrighty. Now we're actually serving 5 people with this dough, so we're gonna rip it into 5 separate pieces. While we wait for our little dough pieces over there to rise by themselves, we're gonna get all of our ingredients together for our topping. You're gonna get 2 cups of ground lamb, half a cup of grated onion, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of chili flake, 1 teaspoon of salt. Then you're gonna need a quarter cup of finely chopped mint, 1 cup of finely chopped parsley, and 1 cup of finely chopped tomatoes. Boom, bam, baby. Our topping's done. Now let's go check on our little dough boys to see how big they've gotten. I'm not looking. Let's see. Yeah, they just about doubled in size just sitting there, especially in thickness. All right, so we've got our dough boys ready. We've got our topping ready. So really all we need to do now is flatten these out with That's right, I finally got a rolling pin. Shout out to Brittany, thank you for this rolling pin. So we're gonna use our rolling pin to flatten these little guys out. Then we're gonna smear just a thin layer of topping on each one. All right, now that these puppies are ready, we're gonna heat up that oven to 420 and we're gonna blaze it for about 10 minutes. excited for this one. This took a while to prep, so I'm very happy with how it turned out. All right, let's try it. Now you want to try some? Come on. This dog always gets to eat before me. Not this time. I'm gonna roll this bad boy up. Bon appetit in Turkish. Whoa. Holy shit. Holy shit. Wow, that's really good. Whoa. Check that out. Oh my god. Okay. She keeps bugging me. We're just gonna give her the bread, but she doesn't know. Up it's girl. Up it's. Alright. Girl, don't scratch the microphone. I know. It smells really good. Alrighty. Good girl, mama. Alright, that's enough for you. No more. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like this video, comment down below what I should cook next, subscribe for new videos every single Saturday, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks, guys.